nature belongs to birds and animals also. But as human beings, what we have been doing? We have been creating concrete jungle, leaving little space for birds and animals. Where do they go? The article published in Young India in 1928 raises this issue with caption "Fault of Man." So by caption you might have understood as to what is the fault that man has created. It says, "I know it is very easy to give advice, but only those who live among the nuisance can realize how destructive monkeys are." So here the main issue is monkeys. You might have noticed in some areas monkeys keep coming. So why do they come? Let us see. And as one who has suffered some small losses at their small mischievous hands, I can sympathize. And yet, is it the fault of man or monkeys? So is it the fault of man or monkeys? Why do monkeys come to the cities, risking their lives and the lives of their babies for food? Said an official to me just recently at Mount Abu, the monkeys are too dreadful a nuisance, and yet we are not allowed to shoot them. They get worse and worse every year. I wonder why. So I think here is a policeman or somebody, they were trying to shoot the monkeys because the nuisance that they create. But thankfully I think there might be a government order not to do so. There is another incident quoted of the same Mount Abu. The Behils of Abu taken down hundreds and hundreds of baskets. One sees them rotting at Mount Abu Road. So there is this Mount Abu Road where hundreds and hundreds of baskets of fruits got rotten. So neither it was useful for human being nor to animals. So it has gone waste. And yet the reason is obvious. From every jungle tree jumbo, we see man with perfect disregard for everything but his own selfish purpose, stripping the trees of their fruit to the last berry. So not even one has left a single fruit on the tree. So in such case, where especially the monkeys go, obviously they keep coming to the places wherever the food is available. Man encroaches ruthlessly on the rights of animals and birds, but punishes with severity any encroachment by them on his supreme rights. So when animals come, we punish them, but we can encroach. There is this continual encroachment on the privileges of birds and animals. So man destroyed birds in thousands and saw their dear ones in the grip of malaria. So obviously when birds are killed, so the mosquitoes that they breed and again they come to our homes and thereby the malaria gets affected. Knowing the wrong done by mankind, am I to give up agriculture and seek the cave, or am I to prevent monkeys' encroachment? Monkeys should have full play of my garden. In other words, I should grow for them what my fellow man has robbed them of. So when animals approach, I give them food, not punishment. Remember, we are in their place. Thank you.